Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. In the vast digital realm we navigate every day, there exists a secret weapon known as Chrome extensions. These nifty tools have the power to save us an astonishing 70% of our precious time online. But here's the catch. Downloading too many of them can be counterproductive. Today, we learn 3 super useful Chrome extensions that will slash your work time in half. These AI-powered gems don't require any extra tools, and they're about to revolutionize the way you work online. Before we dive into the extensions, let's understand what Chrome extensions are. These small software programs seamlessly integrate with Google Chrome, adding extra functionality and features to your browser. Think of them as mini applications designed to enhance your browsing experience. Chrome extensions come in a variety of categories, each catering to specific needs. Some popular categories include ad blockers, privacy protectors, and entertainment enhancers. But today, we're focusing on AI-powered extensions that can revolutionize the way you work and save you precious time. AI extensions are your digital allies. They can add new features, customize Chrome's look and feel, and supercharge your productivity. Now, let's explore 3 top-notch AI-powered Chrome extensions that are ready to become your virtual work companions. First up, ChatGPT. This Chrome extension harnesses the power of ChatGPT to generate text, translate languages, write creative content, and provide informative answers. It's your Swiss Army knife for digital communication. ChatGPT is your reading and writing assistant, summarizing articles, exploring related content, and even translating languages. Use it for social media content, emails, essays, marketing ads, or even crafting a CV. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4 for unparalleled capabilities. Next on the list is Quillbot AI. If you're a writer, this extension is your secret weapon. Improve your writing speed, intelligence, and quality with Quillbot's AI writing platform. It features a grammar checker, paraphrase generator, and summarizer to save you time and elevate your writing. The Chrome plugin highlights mistakes and helps you craft polished content effortlessly. Finally, we have Scribe, AI documentation, SOPs, and screenshots. Scribe transforms processes into step-by-step guides with text, links, and images. It employs AI to watch you work and create how-to documentation. Ideal for saving time, improving documentation, sharing knowledge, and onboarding. Scribe is your ticket to efficient workflows and enhanced knowledge sharing. Chrome extensions are champions of time-saving and productivity boosting in the digital realm. By streamlining tasks, enhancing efficiency, filtering distractions, enabling customization, and integrating productivity tools, these extensions offer a wide range of benefits. By leveraging the power of Chrome extensions, we can reclaim wasted time, optimize our workflows, and accomplish more in our online endeavors. So, harness the potential of these remarkable tools, explore the vast library of extensions available, and unlock a world of enhanced productivity and time-saving capabilities. The Chrome extensions I've just discussed can help you save a ton of time, so I urge you to give them a shot and see how they affect your speed. Don't be overwhelmed by the sheer number of extensions out there. Choose wisely, based on your specific needs, and watch your productivity soar. This was all for today, and I hope you're ready to embrace these game-changing Chrome extensions. Stay tuned for more strategies to boost your productivity and make the most of your digital journey. Thank you for watching, and remember, time is your most valuable asset. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. See you in the next video.